Hello, this is Alvin Bailey, and you found another one of my videos about money. Today I want to talk about 4 basic principles of managing your money. First is live within your means. This is the first and clearest one for most people. I remember reading David Copperfield as a teenager, and Mr. Micawber says in there, annual income £20, annual expenditure £19, result happiness. Annual income £20, annual expenditure £21, the result misery. That's pretty much it. If you spend less than you earn, you live a little beneath your means, and you will have happiness. However, even a little bit over can lead to misery. Have a plan for your money. To sacrifice any given night on the town makes little sense. I deserve a break today. Hey, what's another $50? But when that $50 becomes part of the plan to buy a new car, to pay off a consumer loan, take a vacation with the family, a sacrifice that seems pointless and depressing can be purposeful and satisfying. I'm achieving my financial goals. And besides, Christmas will be in December this year. Have you begun planning for those Christmas purchases? Have a plan for your money. Third thing you need to remember is to avoid debt. Now, debt is sometimes necessary. You usually need to borrow money to buy a house. You may need to borrow money to buy a car. Sometimes even to improve your career, you may need to borrow money for student loans. Now, our grandparents knew, though, sometimes debt was necessary, but they were very careful not to use it for frivolous expenses. Don't just run out there and buy the big screen TV because it's on sale and, yeah, they have easy financing terms. That becomes death on the installment plan. The Bible actually has a lot to say about debt and money, and I'm not here to promote a religious agenda, but the Bible has some principles that have been working for 4,000 years, and I think we can count on them continuing to work for a while longer. But in Proverbs it says, the rich rules over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender. In the 21st century, debt is where slavery resides. Number 4, give back to your community. Remember that giving is as important as getting. A lot of times we forget that giving is what helps us help others and allows others to help us. Lots of research shows that giving leads to better happiness and a better financial security in life. Give back to your community. This is Alvin Bailey. Thank you for listening to my video.